That's so cool.
Really is.
Hmm?
Really is. Not every day you get to see some big owls like that. You hear him making that sound?
Yeah. Wow.
He sound like he want to turn up. The other one is like, listen, you do what you want to do. You know what I mean? I'm just parlaying. And why you can let yourself get so upset? Yeah, this is